guys, I have a confession to make. I drunk piss before. It was when I was young.
It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And we're back on the video, guys. As you guys can see, we're back with something a little different.
A little different. Would you rather?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Okay, guys. So, as y'all can see by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a would you rather question. We're going to be doing a couple of questions. He's going to ask 5. I'm going to ask 5. And we're just going to give our best opinion or stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So...
Know what I'm saying? So, but for now, we're gonna go off based on what we have right here. We're gonna dive right into it. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and
hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
And subscribe on all your YouTube channels that you guys make, because I know you got more than one. Yes, you. The one that said yes. No, not me. You. Yes, you. Why are you looking around? You.
Okay, guys, we have some questions on our phones here that we are gonna ask each other. So my first question is. Let me see. Okay, would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you?
I knew you was gonna find some question with loves in there. So.
Really? Because I love love.
Repeat it again.
Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you? You get it?
Yeah. Would you rather date someone
you love or date someone who loves you?
The damn cat can love you. I mean, I gotta date the cat.
Would you date the cat?
No, I didn't know that. So what was the first one?
Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you?
Oh, date someone I love, you know what I'm saying?
You date someone you
and
love.
then eventually they're gonna love me too. We gonna work it out.
How you know they gonna love you?
Shit, we gonna work it out. We gonna, I'm gonna take my time. Well, I ain't gonna take my time, but I'm gonna, you know, we gonna, she gonna love me too. But I ain't finna date somebody that love me. She gonna be the
fear killer.
She gonna be a damn gorilla.
For my answer, I think that I would date someone that I feel like I'm 50-50 on it. I don't know. Can I be 50-50 on it?
I mean, you didn't say if it's a person or a thing, so I'm guessing in general anything at all.
Someone, babe.
Oh, it said someone?
Someone, yeah.
No, I still stick with my first option because that someone could be ugly as shit. I know I'm ugly, but that person could be.
I feel like the ugliest people, well, in my opinion, no one is ugly, but I feel like the one who's not perfect, who doesn't have lipo and Botox and, you know, fit or whatever, I feel like that person is the most humblest person, the most passionate person, the one who has the best personality. In my opinion, I feel that way because, you know, they're not stuck on themselves. They don't think they're higher or better than the next person. So I'm mostly attracted to that type of person.
Okay, it makes sense. But I'm sticking with mine. I ain't going no 50-50. No. I'm going 100 of them. Yeah, you know what I mean. So, all right.
Okay, your question. Your turn.
All right, my turn, guys.
Your turn.
Would you rather speak your mind or never speak again?
Speak my mind. I do that anyway.
You do that anyway?
Yes. Okay. I'm going to tell you how I feel, and if you don't like it, oh, well. Well, no, I'm just playing. I'm going to tell you how I feel, and if it don't sit right with you, then that means that it's actually for you.
You can tell the person, or you feel that again, the person be like, oh, I don't want to talk to you. Then you're going to be like, damn, I really just did that. Lose a true friend or a true family member, you're like, damn.
Well, for me, I'm the type of person, I'm like this. If I didn't care enough for you, or if I didn't love you enough to tell you how I feel in that moment, then I'm not the right person for you. You're not the right person for me. That means I can't openly talk to you and tell you how I feel about you or what I feel about the things you're doing.
Well, depends on what it is. I'll speak my mind. I'll still speak my mind. Depends on what it is. So, your turn.
Okay, so would you rather have no one to show up for your wedding or your funeral?
I was gonna say wedding. My funeral. Because wedding, man, I feel like wedding is more well. I think wedding is more important because you start your life, you know, new life, new chapter, whatever. But I guess a funeral, you gone, you know, that's it. I'd be like, nah, yeah.
What?
Wait, damn, I'll be forgetting the questions.
Would you rather have no one?
I'm sticking with funeral.
Funeral?
No, not my funeral. That's what it is.
Would I rather have someone show for my wedding or for my funeral? That's kind of like a tough one for me.
How is it a tough one for you?
Because I feel like, well, not really a tough one. I feel like at a wedding, I don't know. At my wedding,
a wedding is more. I think a wedding is more important, but a funeral, that's you people just gonna come to your wedding. That's it. Like you die, it's like when a famous person died, they talk about them for the next couple of days, and that's it. Versus a wedding, you go all be. If you go on Say Facebook and you did that wedding, you post on YouTube, people go always watch that wedding for the next few years, and you gonna always get messages about that wedding, be like, oh, that wedding was so good.
Okay.
Versus a funeral now, you dead, you're gone, nobody don't really care no more. But people want to care, but after a while, they'll be like, unless someone brings it up to that, unless say you forget someone died for that, unless I bring it up to you, be like, hey, then you can remember. But after a while, you just gone. Yeah, that's what it is.
I think a wedding, because I would want people to remember me in a happy moment. I wouldn't want people to remember, you know, me as, dang, she passed away or whatever.
Okay. Would you rather have 3 kids and no money, or no kids with $3 million?
Okay, so would I rather have 3 kids with no money or $3 million with no kids?
Yeah.
I'd rather have kids with no money.
I mean, literally no money at all. Like for you,
$0?
Zero, like no money at all. For the rest of your life, no money.
But I can work towards getting money.
They didn't say that.
I know. They didn't say that. They didn't say I couldn't work.
She always gotta go into details now. Like,
they didn't say I couldn't work.
She put the fine out of the question.
Huh? You don't get mad at me. Because I feel like kids are a gift from God. That's how I feel. Money is the rule of all evil. Even though it's how we survive in this world, because everything is literally purchased with money. You can't purchase something with your doggone sweat. You can't purchase anything with hair or whatever. You have to purchase everything with money. So I feel like I would want kids to live on my legacy, to, you know, grow into someone, you know, important, and have my blood in them, be like, yeah, that's my kid right there.
I'm gonna go ahead and have $3 million with no kids, you know what I'm saying? The reason being is, I have my $3 million, I'm gonna buy whatever I want.
So you gonna buy your kids?
I didn't say I'm gonna buy kids.
You said whatever you want.
That's not the same kids. I'm gonna buy whatever I want, you know what I'm saying? And then stock up on kid stuff, and then put that money aside, all the way aside. And then when I have everything I want, then I get my kids.
No, it said no kids.
Hey,
it said no kids.
Shut up.
Y'all see?
Shut up.
It said no kids. You see how you trying to flip this shit?
I don't care. You flipped it too.
Whatever, but you said I couldn't flip it.
What? You still flipped it?
But you said I couldn't.
You still flipped it, Dumbo.
Man.
Whatever. I'm flipping too.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
How many was that?
I don't know. I think it was 3-3. Go ahead.
Whatever. Let me see.
Let me guys know in the comments what you guys would do.
Oh. Would you rather live low life with your loved one, or rich life rich life all alone? Would you be broke with your loved one, or rich with nobody?
That's like a 50-50 for me.
50-50.
So repeat. You said repeat it again.
Would you rather live low life with your loved one, or live rich life all alone?
All alone as no relationship, or
all alone as in nobody, just you. No mama, no daddy, no sister, no brother, no girlfriend, no kids, no pet, no nothing. No fish, no dog, no cat.
I'm gonna live all alone and be rich, cause I'm finna buy some materials. I'm finna make my little human being and, you know, turn into a robot. No, I'm good.
What the hell?
Sorry, no, I'm gonna go with the first one then.
The first one, you would live a low life with your loved ones.
Yep, low life, personal life. Yep, 100.
Smart choice.
Mm-hmm. I'm guessing you would pick the same thing.
Yeah, I would pick the same thing.
I don't live with you though.
I guess you would.
I don't live with you though.
You ain't got no choice.
We ain't got no choice. I do got a choice.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Okay, next question.
Your question.
Whatever.
Let me find my next.
All right, this one is like pretty much everyone always asks this, but let's ask this. Would you rather know how you will die, or when you will die?
Okay, would you rather say what again?
Would you rather know how you will die, or when you will die?
How or when I would die? Would I rather know how I would die or when I would die? I think I would rather know how I would die, just so I can possibly avoid that situation. Even though I don't want to live my whole life being like, oh,
what if that in the next 50 years you figure how you're gonna die and you just walk into it, it just happen?
No, because if I die by someone close to me, then I would just disconnect myself from that person. Or if I die by going to this certain place, then I would just slowly walk away from that place, like steer away from that place.
So what if you find you want to die by me, you gonna walk away?
Depends on how. Like if I die
She
by
ain't a real one,
listen.
guys. Nah, you ain't a real one.
You ain't a real one for trying to kill me.
I ain't gonna try to kill you, just happen.
But what
if I was sleeping, I'm like, knife right here, I'm like,
what the fuck? You gotta be so real. No, I'm gonna put you in a mental institution. Right then and there. If I find out you kill me because you done grab a knife in your sleep and stab me, I'm putting you in a mental institution right then and there. At that moment, I found out you killed me. Okay. But now I think I would rather know how I would die so that way I can try to avoid that situation. Like, cut myself off from that person or place or thing.
Okay, that's going to be the same answer for me to know how I would die.
How you would die?
Because you never know, huh?
No,
because you never know. It could be next year, it could be 50 years, 100 years from now. So, yeah. Versus when you know when you're going to die, you're going to be like, it's getting close to my dead.
Yep, you're going to be worried about it.
You're going to want to get everything done. Yeah, how many kids you want, trying to be as rich as you want, trying to be as famous so you people can know you who you are, stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm going to go with the first one.
Cool.
Your turn. I think you got one more or two more.
Would you rather go to the past and meet your loved ones who passed away, or go to the future to meet your children or grandchildren to be?
Wait, what?
Would you rather go to the past and meet your loved ones who passed away, or go to the future to meet your children or grandchildren to be?
Would you rather go to the...
So would you rather go to the past to see the people who passed away you never met, or would you go to the future to meet your grandkids and your grandchildren and kids?
Is that for like what happened in real life, or that's just a question?
No, it's just a question.
What if the person who passed away was a serial killer? Like he kill anybody he see. Like he hurt anybody. Damn, that's a tough question.
That's a tough one.
You know what? I'm going to pass.
I'm
going to pass. Reason being is, God forbid, hopefully this will happen, but when your loved one pass away, your mom or dad or anybody, you can go back and still see them.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Because they're the one that bring you into this world. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing.
I say the same thing. I would rather go in the past to meet, some family member I never met, just to get insight on life, how it was back then, real stories. Even though I've read books and everything, but like real life, and I would want to see like real life situations happen.
Okay.
So, and I think going to the future to see your grandkids and children or whatever, I mean, it's gonna happen. So I would rather be in the moment than to skip ahead and ruin that moment for me or whatever.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to know how many kids I'm gonna have.
You want to be like a surprise kind of in a way?
Yeah.
First, you be like, oh, I'm a twin. Oh, crap. Hey, let's do this right now. It's another twin.
And then mess up the timeline.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's.
You gotta ask one more, right?
Yeah, guys, one more.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I think I made this one up. Well, I'm pretty sure this one is. We made it already. Would you rather drink human piss,
bro,
or drink animal piss?
Can I say depends on who it is?
What do you mean depends on who it is?
Depends on who that person is or that animal.
No.
Oh.
Guys, go get your coffee, man. Go to sleep because she gonna take a while.
I would say neither, and we're gonna end it at that. So
no,
guys,
you got hell no. Hell no. You gotta pick one.
Oh my
pick
god.
One.
Okay.
Damn.
I would drink a rabbit's piss because they eat
Ain't no
carrots.
rabbit piss. Drink. Alright, so you basically say you drink animal piss.
I would drink a rabbit's piss.
So you drink animal.
You
drinking animal.
Celery.
You're drinking animal piss, right? Okay, guys, you're drinking animal piss. All right.
I drink nobody's piss.
You're drinking animal piss.
Okay, who piss would you drink?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink the
Yeah, come on, bring it on.
Damn, I didn't think about it.
Yeah, exactly. You didn't think about your own question. I was gonna reverse.
I'm gonna drink my own piss.
No.
I'm a human being. I'm gonna drink my own piss.
You better stop spitting on me.
I'm gonna put some Kool-Aid in it. I'm putting it in the freezer. I'm gonna drink my own piss.
You better stop spitting on me.
I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna drink my own piss. Do we have more questions to ask?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Oh no, I got one more.
No.
Bonus round. Come on, bonus round. Okay. Would you eat chocolate that tastes like shit or shit that tastes like chocolate?
What?
Would you eat chocolate that tastes like shit or shit that tastes like chocolate?
Chocolate tastes like shit. I'm not eating no real shit.
You're not eating no real shit?
I'm not eating no doo-doo. Be on the doo-doo. I don't want a doo-doo. I want some chocolate doo-doo.
So you would eat chocolate doo-doo?
Or at least it's in a candy bar and it's selling in the store, right?
So
I don't got something that thing coming out of the animal butt. Or it's on the ground, you gotta scoop it up and eat it. No!
But it tastes like chocolate.
I don't care. You don't know that. I don't know that.
You can try it.
I mean, you can try it. You want to?
Yeah, you can try it.
Yeah, you can try it too.
Okay, guys, we're gonna try shit that tastes like chocolate.
We're gonna try it too.
That's gonna be the next video where Javon gonna go and find some random poop and taste it and see if it tastes like chocolate or not.
You gonna be tasting it too.
No, I'm not. Can I?
Stretch, yeah, you can stretch.
Okay, anyway, guys, that was the end of this video. Shut up. You always say I talk too much. Okay, guys, that is the end of this video. If y'all like this video, hit that like button, comment in the comment section below, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a mother-sucking video. It's okay, baby. Ow! Punk!
Bye, guys. We see you guys next video.